Hello.
Hey, Daniel, it's Brian G. Johnson.
Hey, Brian, how you doing, pal?
I thought you were coming out to hang out at Clamor Summit.
I am. I'm flying out of Boston tomorrow morning, the 13th.
Dude, today, it's the 13th.
Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation. A dolly zoom is a cinematic technique which makes it look like the background is either moving closer or farther away while the main subject is staying in place. You've seen it hundreds of times in movies starting with Alfred Hitchcock's Vertigo or Steven Spielberg's Jaws, but it's been in GOODFELLAS, The Incredibles, and countless other movies because of its unique look and effect. Traditionally, it would be done by either moving the camera towards an object while panning out, or moving the camera away from the subject while zooming in. As you can see from the last portion of my intro footage, it seemed like the background was rushing up on me. I actually did this with a stationary camera. Let me show you how. I filmed myself speaking my lines, but I was actually sitting in an office chair with wheels. When I dropped the phone, I just pushed back and rolled myself away. I brought that footage into Filmora and isolated that segment right from where I began rolling backwards to where I stopped. Then I right-clicked on the footage and clicked on Crop and Zoom. Then in the Pan and Zoom tab, I looked at how I was positioned in frame at the beginning of that clip, paying attention to how much space was above my head and below my chin. I then scrolled to the end of that clip using the fader and I adjusted the zoomed in window so that my face was in about the same position as the beginning of the shot. That kept the camera focused on me as it moved in, and instead of it looking like I was rolling away from the camera, it made it seem like the background was moving up from behind me. You could do the same trick by walking towards or away from your camera while keeping yourself centered in the zoom window. The smoother you move, the better this effect will come out. Experiment with this one at home and let me know in the comments section below how it worked out for you.